Hi all, welcome back to another video, and I'm just going to be going over my income report for March 2022. Now, it was much lower than the previous month. However, it's important that I show you guys the high months and the lower months just so that you get a balanced perspective on your KDP journey. Now, for the month of March, I earned $846.53. And this was much lower than the previous month. I usually have been averaging over $1,000 each month. I do mostly focus on evergreen content, so I don't have a lot of seasonal books. That's usually why my income doesn't really fluctuate too much. But historically, March and April have been my lowest month. So I did expect it to be a little bit lower this month and probably next month as well. So just taking a look at the best day of the month, you can see Wednesday, the 2nd of March, I earned $79.34, whilst the worst day of the month was Saturday, the 19th of March, where I only earned $12.61. And my daily average royalty was roughly $27.30 for the month of March. Now, I did also run ads, which I'll talk about a little bit later. But just going into some marketplace stats, so we can see that Amazon.co.uk took the majority of roughly 72%, and Amazon.com was only 26%. Usually it's quite even between both of them. And then I had smaller sales from Canada, which I did actually run ads in this month, France and Australia. Then just taking a look at a few of the best books for the month. So this first book took the majority of the sales, and I've talked about it before. It is one of my logbooks. And because it's in an evergreen niche, I usually earn $200 to $300 from it each month. And this month I grossed $358.81. And the next book is a calendar, and this earned me $39.78. And next we've got a coloring book, and that earned me $32.55, followed by an activity book that earned me $35.92. Then the final book is actually a quiz book, and this earned me $15.16. And those were my top 5 books for the month. Now, just taking a look at my ad spend. So in total, we've roughly invested $259.99. And the majority of this was in the UK, spending $210.48, followed by Amazon.com. And then I started doing a little bit of advertising in Amazon Canada. This is roughly off by maybe about $1, but we'll go into the analytics in Amazon. So just taking a look at Amazon.com first, I had sales of $159.82 with an ACOS of 28.16% and total impressions of roughly 47,000 and orders of 17. So with this ACOS, I am just roughly breaking even. And my ads in the US don't usually do as well as in the UK. So just taking a look then at my UK ad spend, we can see that I spent £159 roughly, and I had sales of £803.18 with a much better ACOS of 19.91%. I had loads of impressions of 232,000 and a total of 118 orders. So I do like to focus my ads a lot more in the UK. I feel that they get a lot more traction and impressions. And the competition here is nowhere near as much as the Amazon.com market. And now the final place just to mention that I started doing this month was Amazon Canada. And I spent a total of $4.80 to make sales of $20.65 with a total ACOS of 23.24% with impressions of over 6,000 and only 2 orders. Now, I really didn't run a lot of ads. I was just testing it out, but I think it shows some positive signs, and I definitely will continue with ads in Canada. Now, just to take a look at all the spending. So I am subject to 20% VAT, so I add that onto all of my ad spend. And then I do have some subscriptions, including KDP Champ, Canva, and Creativefabrica. Then I also did spend a small amount on freelancers on Fiverr. And that came up to a total expense of $422.24 with a total income for the month of March of $424.28. Now we are heading into Q2, so if you need any niche ideas, then check out these videos.